Cool. Hi, my name is Casey, and I just took the 2-day advanced Ashiatsu training for Center for Barefoot Massage, and I felt like it really helped to give a lot of practice on more of the anterior work, feeling a lot more comfortable, giving pressure on the front side of the body. A lot of really great stretches, range of motion work for side lying and accessing, the lateral sides of the body for a lot of the issues that we see as therapists with low back, hips, hamstrings, quads. And just got a lot more practice and getting comfortable with two-footed strokes. And it was really awesome. I feel like taking those tools back are gonna help me to just keep going with Ashiatsu work and getting better every day.